With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, here our question is, in which case bodies become hot due to mechanical energy losses? So we need to find out which one is having mechanical energy loss. So the first case given is rub our hands. So when rub our hands with for sometimes. So when you sometimes rub your hands, so the process is physical, not mechanical. So it is a physical process, not a mechanical process. So this cannot be your answer. Second case given is two vehicles collide with each other. So collision occurs due to the kinetic energy, because here motion occurs, so it is not a mechanical, here no mechanical energy loss occurs, here it is the case of collision. Okay, it can either be elastic collision or inelastic collision, so this cannot be your answer. Third question is aeroplane crashes. So aeroplane crashes is also a case of collision. Okay, so this cannot be your answer. Okay, fourth is sliding of legs on the roof. Sliding of legs on the roof surface means it is happening. What is happening here? Friction is happening, and you know that friction is a mechanical force. Friction is a mechanical force. So here in the fourth case, the energy loss is due to the mechanical force. And since energy loss is due to the mechanical force, so here you can say that it is a mechanical energy loss case, and the body become hot due to the mechanical energy losses. So fourth will be your answer. Fifth case given is transfer of energy from hot energy body from hot energy body to cold energy body. Okay, so here this is happening. What this is, conduction is happening. So here conductional energy or conventional energy will be present. So this cannot be your answer. So your answer will be fourth. So fourth case will be your answer, that is option number B. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.